Okay, so this is the before. We're going to start with this first section of the front yard. This is a large estate property here in beautiful Jacksonville, and we got to do some side repairs. You can see the lawn is not looking too good in this area, kind of a large area here. So I'm going to buzz it all down and then get it ready for some fresh St. Augustine. This is the largest piece that's bad, so stay tuned, get it prepped, get it ready for new grass. Okay, quick update, and now all of the old nasty grass has been removed from the lawn. And real quick, what I'm going to do is show you what the lawn looks like now. Let me zoom out a little bit right now. And this is how it looks before. I'm gonna put in some original mix number 3, some soil here. Not too much, because I don't want to make it be raised, because this is a repair, not a resod. So all of the old nasty weed infested grass has been removed and taken to the dump, and new fresh soil and fresh sod will be installed. There's albino rhino right over there. That's albino rhino. And so right now we got this big storm watch coming up, so we don't know what's going to happen with the weather. So that's going to delay the sod delivery. I got to follow up tomorrow and Monday to see what the deal is with the sod. I'm going to be installing Floritam. So we'll find out by tomorrow or Monday, hopefully, on when I can get the delivery of sod. But everything is smoothed out, nice and graded, and another layer of fresh soil, the original mix number 3, will be installed. That'll be like the icing on the cake, and then the fresh sod will be laid down, and that everything will be watered with the fresh, brand new irrigation. All of the sprinklers in the front yard have been upgraded to the RainBird 5000 rotors. Stay tuned. Okay, and now is time for one of my secrets, my secret ingredient, which is the foundation for your best lawn ever. This is the original mix number 3. Those other guys and the new home builders, whenever they install sod, they just throw it out on top of field dirt, and that's not ideal or really suitable for the best lawn ever. So after you remove all of the old grass, you have to give the new St. Augustine, in this case it'll be the Floritam, which is the most popular St. Augustine here in Northeast Florida. You have to give that Floritam root system quality soil to attach to. You can see how the grass grows, how the roots are reaching out. But if it's only got sand, then that has no nutrient to encourage your lawn to thrive. And then what will happen is your lawn will be dependent on having chemicals, fertilizers sprayed on top, and generally that's where you start having troubles in your lawn, because ultimately the lawn guy doesn't keep up or whatever happens, and that's why I end up resodding so many lawns. So to prevent that, you install a high quality foundation to your lawn, which is the original mix number 3. This is the good stuff. and it will provides an excellent base for drainage, and it also has all of the organic nutrients to feed the soil for years and years, and makes a huge difference. So this will be spread out on the next step, and right now we got some big hurricane storm approaching, so we don't know exactly when the sod will be delivered. I like to spread out the soil right before I put down the sod, so I won't be spreading it out just yet. Stay tuned. Okay, quick update. And now we got the sod on site. Shout out to the sod man. The original mix number 3 has been smoothed out. This is what it looks like. This is the secret ingredient that gives your lawn the advantage. This is why you'll have the best lawn ever. It's just like marinade for grilled meat. It's going to give you that nutrient. It's going to give the turf that nutrient that continues for season after season. It also gives it a great foundation for drainage, and it's just going to give you that superior result. Cannot compare it to just throwing the sod out on just the regular dirt that was here before. So stay tuned. Getting the sod here delivered. Got the original mix number 3 raked out, and we'll be installing green side up. All right, all done here in beautiful Jacksonville, and now it's time for the final ingredient, which is the all natural fertilizer. Now, a lot of times I use the Milorganite, which is the most popular brand, but I also use the local brand, which is called Sunnyland. This is available at Home Depot. It's basically, to make a long story short, it's basically granulized compost is the easiest way to describe it. It's not chemical based. It won't burn your lawn, and it will provide quality nutrient for the fresh sod. This is Floritam St. Augustine, and this was a repair more than a flat out resod, so I had to repair a number of places, which makes it a little bit more tricky than an entire lawn front yard resod, which I do a lot of also. So I had to do a lot of patchwork and keep everything level so that it grows in together. Shout out to all the neighbors and their positive feedback. It's really cool. And this is the after. Gonna be doing some more repairs in the backyard, so I just wanted you to get a quick view of how everything looks after the repair. Already repaired, replaced all of the sprinklers with RainBird 5000s, and that's what's going to keep all of the new sod happy. Plenty of sunlight, plenty of time left in the grow season. Thank you for checking out this before and after. FloridaProLawnCare.com for a free quote. At Florida Pro Lawn Care on Instagram, and like our page on Facebook, Florida Pro Lawn Care. Till next time, peace.